Okay, in this video, I'm going to discuss this question from the model question paper, which is on function composition. So, we have three functions. So, one function is f of x is equal to x squared. The other function is g of x, which is x plus 5. And the third function is square root of x squared plus 2. So, what a function actually does is this. So, if you give some input, like in this case x is the input, and then function can be represented using like f, g, h, or any of those alphabets. So what it means is if you give x as input to the function will do something to their input and output that value. So what f is doing here is it just squares it, right? Similarly, g is adding 5 to the input. uh, H is squaring x, adding 2, and then taking square root, right? So that's what a function does. Now we are asked to illustrate the associative property of composition of three functions. Associative means you can do the function composition in any order. So which means like you can do f of g first, right? And then do oh, right? We have to show that this is same as f o g o h, which means first you'll do g o h, then you'll compose it with f, right? So to do that, first we'll find this f o g. So f o g is f g. You apply g first and then apply f. So that's f of g of x, right? So that's equal to, so that means now the function f is getting input as g of x, right? And g is getting input as x. So that will be f of, when g gets x as input, what it will do is it will add 5 to it, right? And when x plus 5 goes as input to f, it squares the input that it got. So the input it got is x plus 5, so it squares it. So we get h plus 5 whole square, right? Uh, now, next we do, now next we have to find f o g o h, right? So this is what we have to do next. We have to do f o g. So we got f o g. And now oh means you will, this f o g is getting h as input, right? That's what it means. So that will be equal to like h is x squared square root of x squared plus 2, right? So uh, fog is x plus 5 whole squared. So what it will do is it will, when it gets h as input, it will, what it will do is it will do x squared plus 2 is the input, then it will add 5 to it and square it, right? So that's what uh, fog will do to uh, h, right? So we have x squared plus 2 plus 5 whole squared. Okay. So now we can do the right hand side, right? So right hand side will look like we have to do g of h. So which is same as g of h of x, right? So what is h of x? H of x is x square root of x squared plus 2. So g gets as input x squared plus 2. And what does g do? G will add 5 to it. So this will output x squared plus 2 plus 5. So that's GOH. Now f gets as input GOH. So what is GOH? GOH is f of square root of x squared plus 2 plus 5. And what does f2? F will square the input. So we'll get square root of x squared plus 2 plus 5 whole square. So now you see that this and this are these two are the same. So that's what we are asked to show, and that's what we are proved.